Yo, what's going on YouTube? Phil here with BLP3 Motors, and today we're going to be talking about my first mod, and I kind of ran into a snag. I have the Mustang behind me, 2019 GT Premium. Freaking love it, guys, but let's take a look at what we're talking about here. Oh man, I can just never get tired of looking at her. Oh, by the way, I named this car Logan. Love that name. There's a story behind it, but I'm not going to get into it in this video. What do you guys think about the decals? I think they turned out really well. But anyway, guys, so we're behind here because, spoiler, that's going to be the first mod, or so I thought. Let me tell you what I'm talking about. So I purchased the GT package, and this comes with this really awesome spoiler, and I actually really like it. I still have the dealer tag. Oh man, it's going to be a bear to end up paying the tag title and tax on that. But anyway, that's for another video. But yes, I actually really like this spoiler, but I was kind of pricing things before I bought this Mustang, and a carbon fiber spoiler was something that I really wanted. And there is a RPI APR carbon fiber spoiler. I'm going to show you the picture now. But that's basically what I want to put on this car. Now the problem, let's take a look here. So when I remove this, there are screws here, and screws here. So when this comes out, there's going to be a bunch of holes, and that's going to be a problem. Now the spoiler that I want, I'm going to have to drill holes like right here and like right here, so it's going to mount somewhere like right here, and then I'm left with a bunch of holes. So that's going to be an issue. Now what I'm thinking is I'm thinking about trading somebody a trunk and kind of just getting this little flush thing here and just straight out trading somebody, but I'm not sure what I can get for my trunk lid with the spoiler, and I'm not sure what I should charge yet. Or a second option is to get just a little baby riser and put that there and then kind of mount the spoiler here. But I'm not sure what to do. So what do you guys suggest? I'm kind of at a loss right now. That was kind of the first mod that I wanted to do, and I don't think I'm going to be able to do it yet. I think it's going to be a little more research. So I'm thinking about doing something with the exhaust now. Thinking about an H-pipe or an X-pipe. Now, I do like the sound of the H-pipe. I like that low rumble, but there's an X-pipe that I really want, and I'll show you guys in this other video. But so for this vehicle, I'm not sure what to do. So in the comment section below, or if anyone's a Mustang person, what should I do? Will it look stupid if, you know, I get the little lip risey thing here? Or should I just go and flat out trade somebody for a trunk lid with a spoiler? And if I do that, how much do you think that they would have to give me for it? Because obviously it wouldn't be even, because they're getting a painted spoiler. So I don't know. But then I've only had the car for like almost 2 weeks, and I don't want to get rid of any parts on it yet. So I'm on a little bit of a snag, guys. So if you guys have any suggestions, let me know in the comment section. If you've not already liked this video, please like the video. Please subscribe if you are new. And guys, don't skip those ads because they totally help pay the bills. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's a little bit short and it's windy today, so I'm not sure if the dead cat's working, but hopefully it is.